Mzansi Youth Choir, Putri Ariani, Anna de Guzman, and Chibi Unity. Now we have to find out which of this week's acts have made those finals. We have the top three. Give it up for 82nd Airborne Division Chorus, Ramadani Brothers, and Gabrielle Enrique. Only two of them can go through. This is make or break. Let's do it. America has voted. The first act going into the finals is
division, all across America. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Really appreciate it.
We will see you next week in the finals. Give it up for 82nd Airborne Division Chorus. Wow, this is intense. 2 acts left for 1 spot in the finals. Ramadani Brothers. America has voted. The second act going into the finals is
you two are really one of the best acts we have ever witnessed. Congratulations and good luck to you next week.
You guys are in the finals. How does that feel?
We are feeling so happy right now. The joy we have, we can't explain it. We love you, all of you. Thank you for this big opportunity. We love you guys.
Well, good luck, guys. So, 82nd Airborne Division Chorus and Ramadani Brothers are through. But there is one more spot open. It will go to the winner of tonight's live wild card instant save vote. The judges are going to each nominate a wild card act they want to see in the finals. Now, judges, I'm going to need those names in just a couple of minutes, so get thinking, and we'll be right back.